Right, once you've opened Python up, we're going to have a go at entering two numbers. So you can enter any two numbers. Let's try 2, and I'm going to use the plus sign on the keyboard and 2 and press my carriage return key, and you can see that Python has added these two numbers together. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's try 4 plus 6. Enter. It's added them up to 10. Let's try a larger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Enter, and it's added those up. So I want you to go and open up Python and have a go at doing this yourself. Add a couple of numbers together. After that, maybe try adding a third number. See if it still adds those. And then when you've had a go at that, come back and watch the next video.